Right, an example of a voice recognition and chatbot.
Hello, I'm KnowledgeBot. What would you like to know?
What is 3D secure?
I think you asked, what is 3D secure? Gladly, with websites using 3D secure, your card cannot be abused.
What is PSD2?
I think you asked, what is PSD2? Put simply, Payment Services Directive 2, or PSD2, is a piece of legislation designed to force providers of payment services to improve customer authentication processes and to also bring in new regulation around third-party involvement.
What is the advantages of 3D secure?
I think you asked, what is the advantages of 3D secure? Overall, it does introduce a step that no one likes, but it is a one-time registration.